You text me late, then disappear. Say you miss me, but you're never here. You hold my gaze, then look away. It's like you're close but miles away. I keep guessing, second guessing. Are we real or just pretending? Is this love or just a phase? Give me something, not just haze. What am I to you, baby? Am I someone or just maybe? You leave me hanging in between, like I'm trapped inside a dream. You say it's fine and you go cold. Why's your heart so hard to hold? All these mixed signals I can't